Peggy, she said that the curtains were tacky. Do you think I'm tacky?
In the world we live in now, everybody's got cameras and a lot of people have listening and recording devices. But is it really legal to be recording people as they walk through the house? Well, we're going to be talking about that today. It's Take a Tip Tuesday. Hi, my name is Christina Smallhorn, your real estate whisperer, providing you the best real estate tips with a dash of humor. Be sure to subscribe now so you don't miss my most beneficial but humorous tips. This week I want to tell you a little story. Just recently I was in a Facebook group just for real estate agents, and a real estate agent had posted about how her sellers were really upset because they had overheard the buyer's agent walking through the home and explaining to her buyers that the house was overpriced by $10,000. This opened up a whole can of worms with real estate agents on the legality of actually recording somebody's conversations when they go through a home. So we're gonna go through those, and I'm gonna let you know which states absolutely do not allow you to do this. And we're gonna talk about the ethical and morality of doing this in the first place. Peggy, girlfriend, I got the whole house bugged. I got it recorded. We're gonna be able to hear everything they say. Plus I brought my binoculars. It's gonna be great. The Louisiana Electronic Surveillance Act prohibits anybody from recording a conversation unless one party's been informed. So if you're going to do this, make sure that your listing agent puts that in the notes that there is recording devices inside the home. That way the real estate agent that's showing the home will know that they're being recorded, and they can inform their buyers as well.
Oh, they're fixing to go in the master bathroom. She's just gonna love my blue cabinetry. Oh, they don't even like the blue cabinetry. What is wrong with her, Peggy? Good Lord.
If you have recording devices or video devices in places like your bathrooms in your home, please remove them before you start your showings on your home. That is illegal to record anybody while they're using the bathroom. That kind of goes without saying, but I'm just telling you that if you have one of those in the bathroom, get it out, because it's not going to be legal for you to have that here in the state of Louisiana.
Oh, their real estate agent just told them that my house was overpriced $10,000. What is wrong with these people? Ooh, and look, she's wearing magenta.
Even though the state of Louisiana requires only one person to know that they're being recorded, in other states you have to inform every single person that's going to be recorded that they are being recorded. And those states are California, Delaware, Florida, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Montana, Nevada, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, and Washington. So if you live in those states and you plan on recording conversations of people as they walk through their home, you're gonna have to let every single person that goes through that door, let them know that they're going to be recorded, and so is their conversations.
Oh, they're going to a different room. Hold on, Peggy. Let's go to the other room. I can hear everything they're saying now.
I know as a seller, you're thinking you're probably getting the inside track on people and how they feel about your home if you're recording them in their conversations. I say you're probably doing yourself a disservice. First of all, you're giving yourself a place of frustration. There's gonna be things that people say that come out a little bit harsher than they probably intended if you were standing right there. If they don't like your curtains and they don't like your carpeting, it's things in their mind that they're probably gonna want to change. That doesn't mean that they won't put an offer in on your home. So say you get an offer in and you've already have a disdain towards these particular buyers because they didn't say all the glowing remarks that you wanted them to say about your home. Now your negotiations are already tense because you listened in on a conversation that you probably were never intended to hear in the first place.
This girl doesn't even wear makeup. Who doesn't wear makeup?
This is not a great way to start off negotiations. So I really honestly want you to rethink before you actually decide that you're going to record people. I know it's your own personal decision to do this. In some states it is illegal. In our state it only needs one person, but I'm telling you, morally, you're just giving yourself a bad name for your house and for you as a seller. Don't do it. Don't record people. They should feel free when they go through your home to say whatever they want to say, because you'll never know if those are the people that are going to put in an offer.
If she was just wearing a leopard skin dress, that would look a heck of a lot better than what she's got on now.
These Facebook groups that real estate agents are on are always a source of entertainment, but nothing made me step back and really think about it and want to let the public know more than anything is the fact that these recording devices and how legal it is for a buyer or a seller to be recording conversations. I know that you are thinking that you're doing the right thing because you're getting the secret inside of what people are thinking about your home, and you're thinking that's probably going to help with your negotiations, but I'm telling you, it's really not. And not every buyer that walks through the house is gonna be in love with it. I just want you to really think about this before you decide that you're gonna record anybody, and make sure you follow state laws.
Wait until I tell my real estate agent everything these people have been saying. Good thing I have it all recorded.
Even though we have these fancy devices that record everything now, it doesn't mean that you as a seller have the right to record their conversations. So you can record people going through your house, especially if you feel like there's some reason that something might be taken or stolen. Everybody has surveillance cameras around the house. But just be very careful when it comes to recording their conversations. You do not want to get yourself in trouble when it comes to doing this. I know in the state of Louisiana we have some funky laws, but when it comes to the protection of people's rights, when it comes to privacy and looking at some of these homes and listening devices, I think they got this one right. If you want to know some more funky laws here in Louisiana, go ahead and click this little video right here. It's about naked ownership, and it's only in Louisiana. If you want to know more about selling your home, I have a whole playlist right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. My name is Christina Smallhorn, your real estate whisperer, and I tell you all this because you matter.